welcome back ulit sa aking vlog. Ayan, for today's video guys, gagawin natin is magme-makeup review tayo and then magme-makeup na rin po tayo kasi paalis po ako ngayon dahil ayusin ko ang aking account sa ATM para dun ko ilalagay yung PIN number ko kasi dumating. So guys, ayun, galing po siya kay Congressman Raffy Villason. Pag-giveaways po siya sa lahat ng mga sumali sa vlogger contest ng Muntinlupa. So, ito na po siya. Sa Pretty Looks po siya. Bali, sa Pretty Looks po ang kanyang pag-giveaway. So, ito po yun, yung Blair Cosmetics. Ayan. Ewan ko makita nyo po. Ayan. Maaga po ngayon. So, ayan. Glimmer lipstick. And then, bibigyan ko na lang po kayo ng montage nito. Ayan. Eyebrow. Halos kompleto na po, guys. Tatry ko po siya. And then, ayan. Yung press powder. Foundation. Ayan. Buti maputi po ako. Sakto po dun sa light color. And then, ito yung ating pang-blush on. So, try na natin, guys. Simulan na natin. Maraming salamat po kay Congressman Raffy Villason sa pagbibigay po ng mga pag-giveaways. And then, yung promo nga po, yung consolation prize na nakuha ko na. Sticky ko, may pagka-sticky yung primer niya. Hindi siya tulad ng iba ng moisturizer na parang tubig. Ito, sa bagay, may nakalagay naman na cream primer. Yung, kaya siguro ganun siya. Nasanay kasi ako na yung primer o moisturizer ko is yung parang tubig lang na
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Duo, yung isa is parang may pagka-gray. Pag gumagamit ka talaga nito, makikita mo yung mga excess mo na mahabang buhok sa kilay. Ayan. So, maganda guys. So, kung titingnan nyo, parang hindi siya pantay guys. Kasi, andito yung ilaw, nakabukas yung pinto namin. So, wala akong ring light or what. So, ito yung light, tapos dito yung dark. Kasi, dito yung medyo mahina yung ilaw. Pag inanyan ko siya, or yan, tapat ko sa inyo. Ayan, pantay siya. Ayan. Pantay po yung line. Pero sabi nga nila, hindi naman daw talaga pantay yung kilay, pati yung sa paa, sa mata, ganun. lang, gusto ko rin yung makeup. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Gusto ko lang kasi yung hindi ganun ka-dark yung makeup. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aking vlog, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga bagong video. So, bye guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood. At naway nagustuhan nyo ang aking pagme-makeup or dun sa review ng Blair. So, yan. Salamat po ulit kay Congressman Raffy Biasan. And then, Pretty Looks, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-giveaway sa aming mga vlogger. Thank you, thank you. So, ayun. Shoutout din po pala sa mga Team Cabraso, Team Gonsu, and then sa iba't ibang team pa po dyan, Team Orig, Team Teacher Fe. Maraming salamat sa inyo po at maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta po sa akin, sa iba't ibang grupo po yan. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa, pero maraming salamat po talaga. Bye mga Cabraso!